Imagine standing face to face with a robot that looks you in the eye, listens to your voice, understands your words, and then walks over to do exactly what you asked. No programming, no joystick, just pure understanding. This isn't a movie scene from Ex Machina or iRobot. This is happening right now, powered by one of the most mind-blowing breakthroughs in AI, Vision Language Action Models, or VLA models. They're the missing piece connecting AI's digital mind to the physical world. Think of a VLA model as the human brain simplified into three main abilities. Vision, the power to see and understand what's happening in the world through cameras and sensors. Language, the ability to comprehend and reason about instructions, goals, or questions. Action, the skill to move and interact with the world using precise motion control. Individually, these aren't new. Robots could see, chatbots could talk. But connecting all three in real time is what makes VLA models revolutionary. It's the bridge between thinking and doing. For decades, robots have been great at one thing: repetition. They could weld cars, move boxes, or assemble parts, but only in controlled environments. Tell them to grab the blue cup from a messy table, they'd freeze. Why? Because they couldn't truly see or understand. That's where VLA changes the game. These models don't just look at pixels, they interpret them. They don't just read words, they reason with them. And once they figure out what needs to be done, they act.
I need your clothes, your boots, and your motorcycle.
All three layers, vision, language, and action, work together in one continuous thought process. In 2025, the world saw something incredible. Figure AI unveiled a robot powered by its new Helix VLA model, capable of understanding natural language commands and performing multi-step tasks smoothly. Helix uses a two-system brain. System 2 handles deep understanding, processing scenes, language, and intent. System 1 handles physical movement, translating thoughts into coordinated motion. Then came NVIDIA's Groot Dan 1, trained on millions of human motion videos and robot demonstrations. It learned how humans move, so robots could copy those movements naturally. And Google DeepMind's Gemini robotics pushed it even further, combining the Gemini AI brain with real-world robotic control. Their robots can handle delicate tasks like stacking blocks or folding origami, actions that require incredible precision and judgment. So how does this work inside the machine? When a human gives a command, like pick up the red cup and place it on the top shelf, the AI's vision system identifies every object in the environment. Its language model translates your sentence into an internal plan. Then the action controller figures out the best sequence of movements, the arm's angle, the grip strength, the path to the shelf. Every decision happens in milliseconds. It's like having eyes, ears, and muscles all powered by the same digital brain. The potential uses are endless. In factories, VLA robots can learn new assembly tasks just by watching humans once. In hospitals, they can assist doctors, deliver medicine, or care for elderly patients safely. At home, they could help with chores, cooking, or even companionship. NASA and SpaceX are exploring similar systems for space missions, where autonomous robots will work alongside astronauts. It's not just about replacing workers, it's about expanding what's possible. But every leap forward brings new challenges. VLA models require enormous computing power and data. Training them to understand human intention safely is incredibly complex. And as these robots become more capable, we must ask tough questions. How much control should we give them? What happens when they make mistakes? And who's responsible when AI takes action in the real world? The future looks exciting, but it also demands responsibility. VLA models mark a turning point in AI history. They're not just chatbots or machines. They're digital minds learning how to experience the world around them. We've officially entered the age of robots that see, think, and act. And if the pace keeps going, the next time you ask your home assistant for help, it might not just answer, it might stand up and do it for you. This is the dawn of vision language action AI, and it's changing what it means to be intelligent. Like and join with us, because the future is no longer coming, it's already here.